are some cute looking cakes that I found on the internet, and this one is so nice. I like cakes a lot. Wow, this design is for Christmas, Christmas cake, Christmas sweater. I think it's really nice and cool. This design is funny. I'm seeing spaghetti, I'm seeing like there's a lot of things going on there, but this is cute. This is a yarn, and I don't know why that animal is up there, but okay, still cute. How did they get these two things to be suspended in the air? This is magic. All I see is magic over here because this is amazing. Oh, cute little library, so fine. I like the whole design, the whole setup and everything. It's really, really cute. There's a lot of goodness happening here. My god, how can you tell me this is a cake? Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, this is cute for all this kiddies party or something. It's just really nice. I love the balloons up top. Who did this? Mr. or Mrs. Creativity. Like, how is the teacup flying in the air? How is it suspended? Oh, I've seen this design before. The t-shirt design is really cute. I like it. I like the color combination. This is an aquarium, very nice, and so I love this design. It's so beautiful. This is another type, but I think I prefer the first one because this one looks really, although this looks more realistic than the first two, but yeah, I still like it. Oh, this is so nice. Wow, very beautiful. The popcorn, the tape, everything is so beautiful. Wow, this is amazing. This is really nice. I see the couple on a canoe. It's their journey. Oh, okay, this is a stadium, and I think those orange things has to be humans. Wow.